Hi everyone, welcome on board. So finally we have I'm Ahmedabad calls released. It was I think around about an hour back. People who have not yet checked it, check the link in the description. You can log in and check your admission status. Also, the emails have been sent out. It has gone in a few batches. Like a lot of students received it around 9:30. Some students got in just around 10 o'clock as well also. So keep checking your emails and your login admission status as well also to see whether you have been shortlisted or not. Admission status में बहुत छोटा सा लिख के आएगा whether you have been shortlisted for the AWTPI or not. Please watch this video to understand the complete selection process, the steps next, what you need to do, and how do we make sure we prepare for the interviews right now. Firstly, very important, which you need to remember and you cannot miss out, is your deadline for the online application form. So, right now, if you see, everybody who's got this mail, you would have that mentioned in the first line itself. You have to go and complete your online interview form link. Deadline for the same is 13th January 4 p.m. While filling this online application form, you have to submit original copy of your documents which have to be uploaded, which includes your mark sheets, your degree certificates for your 10th, 12th, graduation, post graduation, professional qualifications, everything that you have done, you have to upload all of them. For your graduation, it has to be a consolidated summary of all the years, 3 or 4 years depending on the course that you have done. सबकी marksheets का combine करके वो certificate you have to upload onto the portal. Then you also need to upload documents of your work experience, your internships, anything that you have done. A work experience certificate or an internship certificate works. In case you do not have a work experience certificate of the place where you are currently working, what you can do is offer letter plus last 3 months ka salary slip combine, make it a single document and upload that so that it shows legit proof of you working from which date till date right now. Okay? So that is something which you can put. Then you also have to upload certificates of your co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Co-curricular activities, as they have mentioned, it has to be after your 10th standard. Whatever you have done, like math olympiad, NTSEs, technical paper presentations, these have to be put in there in after 10th what you have done. Extracurricular activities, state, national and international level only. If you have any, you will upload those certificates or valid proofs of the same on the portal. Then you also have to make sure you have to upload your category certificates. EWS students, the appropriate income and asset certificate issued is required. If you belong to NCOBC SC ST category, valid caste certificate is required to be submitted and uploaded there. PWD ka PWD certificate will come up there. Along with this, you also have to upload your photo identity proof and your passport size photograph with your digital signature. Once this deadline has been completed, then you will get update about your AWT schedule. They have not released your schedule. Interviews कब होंगे क्या अभी कुछ नहीं डिक्लेयर किया है. Interview submission deadline के बाद ही वो release होगा. Interview submission deadline is 13th January 4 p.m. as they have mentioned out here. If we look at the last year's cutoffs and details, last year's the first interview was on 5th February 2024. So nearly around 3.5 weeks is what you have in hand. So let's make sure we work hard, prepare well, because this is the best call that you will be having and you have to put your heart and soul into converting the same. Everybody who's received the call, थोड़ा सेलिब्रेट आज कर लो. Friday night we will have the Alumni Connect session. Friday is your 10th of January. We'll make you meet your seniors from Ahmedabad to help understand how to fill the application form, how to prepare for the interviews, and to what extent are you supposed to prepare your domain knowledge, your current affairs, because Ahmedabad interview of course is not going to be easy. It's not going to be a cakewalk for sure. Okay, now very important, what was the selection criteria? I know a lot of you guys are going to be disheartened and shocked and surprised कि calls नहीं आई है. Like honestly, seeing a 99.96% not getting a shortlist, 99.98 not getting a shortlist, it feels very disheartening. बट आपके पास academics है which is causing that roadblock, which unfortunately we cannot help about it, right? But let's make sure कि आपका बैंगलोर और कैलकाटा अगर कॉल है तो उधर डबल मेहनत करो, ठीक है? ये this is the current eligibility criteria which is there. Your bachelor's had to be 50% and above. Now the shortlisting process which has been followed this year. What is the shortlisting criteria? Let's quickly have a understanding of the same. Minimum CAT cutoffs जो है percentile ranks, that's the stable first stage. इसमें the CAT 2024 overall percentile for general and EWS was 80. Verbal, DLR, quants, all the sections it was 70. For NC, OBC, transgender it was overall 75 and all the sections 65. For SC it is overall 70 and all the sections 60 percentile. For ST candidates it's 60 overall and 15 all the sectional as well also. Looking at the PWD students, PWD में they are classified into two sections. PWD ST is same as the ST category which is 60 overall and 15 all the sections. PWD any other category it is 70 overall and 60 in all of these sectionals, ठीक है? All of the people who have met this, ठीक है? Now they make this AR which is there. So let's understand the application rating, how it is done. Basically the application rating is a combination of your rating scores A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D and E क्या है वो नीचे के tables में दिया है which I will now explain it to you. Application में rating score A, जो A है that stands for your 10th standard का marks. So less than 55 rating score is 1, 55 to 60 it is 2, 60 to 70 it is 3, 70 to 80 में it is 5, 80 to 90 में 8, greater than 90 you get full 10 score. Then rating scores for 12th standard is called as your rating score B section. This is stream wise. तो इधर आपकी तीनों streams available हैं, that is your science, commerce, arts and humanities. For science it is the highest, मतलब आपकी scores should be higher if you are from a science background. So less than or equal to 55 पे you get 1, 55 to 60 पे 2, 60 to 70 पे 3, 70 to 80 पे 5 marks, 80 to 90 पे 8 marks, greater than 90 पे 10. कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम में फाइनल जो है वो ग्रेटर देन 90 पे 10 है, बट बाकी के बकेट्स में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. लेस देन इक्वल टू 50, यहाँ साइंस में जो 55 था यहाँ पे वो 50 हो गया, उस पर यू गेट 1, 50 to 55 पे 2, 55 to 65 पे 3, 65 to 75 पे 5 marks and last bucket is a bigger one, 75 to 90 पे 8 points and greater than 90 पे 10. Arts and humanities में this becomes a little more lesser overall expectation. Less than equal to 45 पे you get 1, 45 to 50 पे you get 2, 50 to 60 पे 3, 60 to 70 पे you get 5, 70 to 85 पे you get 8, overall 85 plus you get a full 10. This is for your 12th standard scores. Rating score C is the scores based on your bachelor's degree. अब इधर हमारी सारी कैटेगरीज आती है which is my AC1 to AC5. AC1 to AC5 की classification is available नीचे. We will check it out later on. You can also go and refer to the website to have a clear-cut understanding. CAT 25 वाले students who are there, you will also get a fair idea about कि हमारी selection criteria कैसी होती है if you guys are watching the video. AC1 जो category है, AC1 students, this is the score range. Less than equal to 55 पे 1 मिलता है, greater than 70 पे full 10 marks मिलते हैं. AC2 पे AC2 category which is there, less than equal to 50 में we get 1, greater than 63 में you get 10. Quickly to have a better understanding, अगर आपको जानना है what comes under AC1, AC2 and AC3, scroll down एकदम नीचे, so you will get it on the website itself what comes under AC1, AC2. So AC1 is people from the medicine and surgery background, that's MBBS etc. AC2 is people with professional degrees of CA, ICWA, CS. So you will see कि इनकी graduation की cut off कम थी 63, right? Because वो CA, ACWA professional background से है, which is like an additional thing without your, beyond your graduation which you are doing. AC3 is all commerce, economics, finance and management related degrees, which includes hotel management, hospitality management, everything as well, also apart from your BMS, BCom, BAF background. AC4 is all our engineering and architectural related people. So BArch is also a part of BTech BE category. AC5 is people from the arts, humanities, or we can say the weird category. AC6 is totally different, अगर इसमें किसी में मेंशन नहीं है तो वो लोग आते हैं इसमें. ठीक है, अभी हमने AC1 और 2 का तो देख लिया था कि what is the AR score calculation for them. So overall greater than 70 in AC1 was full 10, greater than 63 in AC2 is full 10, AC3 में greater than 80 is 10 points. AC4 सबसे ज़्यादा होता है for this, AC4 and AC6, which is the others category. AC4 is essentially all our engineers and architectures. Greater than 85 पे you get 10. So a lot of students here have lost out because graduation engineering students are at 76-79%. तो थोड़े से नंबर इधर कम आए हैं उनके. AC5, which is arts and humanities, greater than 75 पे you get 10 score. This is my rating score C. Then comes my rating score D, which is based on my work experience. Less than 12 months, you get 0. 12 to 36 months, you get number of MF is your multiplication factor, which is 0.2 into number of months of work experience minus 11. So अगर 12 months है तो you will get 0.2 out here. So you will just multiply this factor. Then you get application rating score, which is the total of A, B, C, D and E. ठीक है, from this ये सारी total मिल गया. उसके बाद आपका A, B, C, D, E के basis पे your full application rating score is made. Then normalized AR score of an applicant is equal to the AR score divided by the average of the top 50 AR scores from the applicant's pool. The applicants pool in this case being defined as the group of candidates who appear for CAT. So based on the top 50 of the overall CAT applicants pool, you get your normalized AR score. ठीक है, this guidelines for students who've not got your 10th 12th certificates or your graduation, those are mentioned out here. Then your shortlisting is done and the final shortlist students have been emailed. ठीक है, the composite score which is there, based on this you have got your shortlisted emails. Composite score is going to be your application rating multiplication factor. Normalize, like the factor for that is 0.35 plus the CAT composite score ka factor, which is 65%. So your normalized AR score into 0.35 plus your normalized CAT score into 0.65 is based on which you will get your final composite score made. उस composite score पे आपका limits लगाते हैं based on your categories, and then accordingly the shortlisting criteria is shared. Now basically all of the cutoff percentages in all the different categories is mentioned here, which is applicable for the shortlist. फाइनल सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया, जब आपका AWT और PI हो जाएगा उसके बाद योर फाइनल सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया इज 0.5 into your personal interviews normalized score plus 0.1 into your AWT normalized score plus your 0.25 into CAT score plus your 0.15 into application rating score. Essentially, if I tell you in terms of percentage, 50% weightage is to our personal interview, so that is the make or break. That is why I said personal interview is the most important. 10% weightage is to your AWT, 25% weightage is to your CAT scores, 15% weightage is to your application rating, which is application rating score, that is your complete profile, which includes your 10th 12th graduation and work experience details plus the professional certifications if you have any. Okay, all of that is important, and then your final merit list will come out. Now talking about how do we go about with the preparation for our interviews, please make sure you start with your docket, which is your interview preparation docket on your dashboard. Quickly let me Yeah, so you will log into your learn.catking.in and you will go ahead and start studying from the interview experience docket of IIM Ahmedabad. I'll show that to you guys towards the end of this video as well also. And very importantly, Friday we will have a session with your alumni and seniors. Quick basic information which is available across online platforms and website as well also. RTI data jo tha of last year. Total calls were 1271. Okay, minimum percentile for a general candidate to convert was 93.76. For EWS was 98.2. OBC was 79.02 percentile, SC was 73.68 percentile, ST was 74.52 percentile, PWD was 79.32 percentile. ठीक है, batch profile, if you look at the batch dynamics, you will see 406 students, 25% females, 43% students are from IIT, NIT and BITS, 21% students are from CA, BCom, BBA, 4% are entrepreneurs. Work experience terms में 20.8 months is the average work experience of the entire batch. Placement highlights of the batch, which is audited reports last available. Highest domestic package was 1.46 CR. Median package was 31.58. Average package 34.45. Rest, we are talking about IIM Ahmedabad, guys. Definitely you guys must put in your heart and soul into converting this call. Every day 10 to 11 p.m. we are having your live lectures for your WAT PI preparation, where we have your seniors, your faculties are from IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Calcutta, FMS, SP Jain, IIFT, who will make sure कि ये calls तो convert करनी ही करनी है. एवरीडे क्लास अटेंड करो, होमवर्क करो, डैशबोर्ड की सारी रिसोर्सेज को अच्छे से पढ़ के जाओ to make sure we convert this call. Any doubts, any questions, if anybody has, please drop in the comment section and we will take that up for you guys. All the best. Take care.